Okay, let's unpack this. We've got this source material on the Vacbird vacuum storage bag system. Looks like it's aimed at, well, anyone trying to get a handle on clutter, right? Seasonal stuff, linens. Our mission today, let's get past the basics and really figure out what makes this system tick, the design choices that might actually make it useful long term. So fundamentally, we're looking at space saver bags for things like comforters, blankets, winter coats, the bulky stuff. But there's one feature that seems to jump out immediately.
Right. Yeah, that electric pump. We've all been there, haven't we? Trying to use the regular vacuum cleaner attached
Oh
to it.
yeah, the one that never quite fits right, or those tiny hand pumps.
Yeah.
Exhausting.
Exactly. So the source highlights this high-power electric pump, and they call it the 2025 upgrade. And that's not just like a small convenience. It tackles the main reason these bags sometimes fail, which is getting a really good seal. User fatigue. This pump is meant to guarantee you get maximum compression without the workout. It sort of immediately signals easy use.
Okay, so the pump makes it easy. What about the bags themselves? What do you actually get? The package lists an 8-pack of vacuum seal bags, and it's specific, 4 jumbo and 4 large.
Mhm.
That mix seems pretty smart. It's not just for huge duvets, but also maybe sweaters or smaller bedding sets.
Yeah, variety is definitely practical. It suggests they've thought about different kinds of storage needs, but variety only helps if the bags actually hold up over time.
Right, that's always the worry with these things.
So the claims are vacuum sealed, durable, and reusable. We need to look at what durable really means here.
Because reusable can sometimes mean reusable once, maybe twice, if you're careful, especially with cheaper ones.
What's fascinating here is they give you a specific number, a load capacity of 10 pounds.
10 pounds, okay.
Yeah, and that number tells you something about the material and the engineering, right? It suggests it's designed for heavier, denser items once compressed.
Like thick blankets or maybe a couple winter jackets packed together.
Exactly. It implies a certain toughness, distinguishing it from, flimsy plastic that might just split under pressure. And they also mention the closure type is a zipper.
A zipper, not just one of those slidey clip things.
Right. A zipper generally offers a more secure, kind of airtight seal for the long haul compared to some simpler closures. Keeps the air out better.
Okay, here's where it gets really interesting for me. You take that claimed durability, the 10-pound capacity, the zipper, and you combine it with that electric pump.
Mm-hmm. Effortless compression meets strong materials.
Yeah. Suddenly, packing away seasonal stuff doesn't feel like this huge wrestling match. It's potentially just a few minutes with this tool.
It lowers the barrier, like you said, makes
That-
organization feel more achievable.
Right. The recommended uses storage, clothing, bedding seem more reliable because the system addresses both making the seal easy and the bag strong enough to keep it.
Absolutely. It tackles those two common pain points together.
So just to quickly recap the key takeaways we pulled out.
Yeah.
You've got that 8-pack with the useful size mix.
Uh-huh. The 4 jumbo, 4 large.
Then there's the big one, that dedicated electric pump for easy, consistent compression.
Definitely saves time and effort. And probably gets a better seal.
And finally, that 10-pound load capacity as a sort of marker for durability and strength.
Yeah, those are the specs that suggest real-world usability, turning a chore into something simpler.
So what does this all mean? We've figured out the system seems engineered for easier use and hopefully longevity. But thinking bigger, beyond just saving space in the closet, how does using this kind of tech-durable, reusable, pump-assisted bags actually change how you approach managing your stuff season after season? Does it help you finally beat back that clutter creep for good?
That's the interesting question, isn't it? Does better tech lead to better long-term habits? Something to think about.